Hello everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you the layout of Google Sheets. Understanding the layout will help you navigate and use Google Sheets more easily. So first, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. As you can see, the main area is made up of boxes called cells. Each cell is identified by a column letter and a row number, like A1 for this cell or B2 for this cell. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar. This is where you can format text, change colors, insert charts, and more. Below the toolbar is called Formula Bar. As you can see, this lets you enter or edit formulas and cell content. At the bottom, you'll find the Sheet tabs. These let you switch between different sheets inside the same spreadsheet. You can also click the plus button to add a new sheet. And that's it. Thanks for watching.